Now, with national 3,000, 5,000 and 10,000 meters record holder Kimora Campbell collapsing during competition recently, the governing body for the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is taking the issue of athletes' health more seriously for this year's staging. Jordan Ford has our champs preview this evening.
Heart issues in sports have seemingly increased in recent years, prompting CEO of title sponsors Grace Kennedy, Don Webby, to make this announcement at Wednesday's launch of the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.
Mission. And I'm announcing today that Grace Kennedy will purchase a minimum of 5 defibrillators to be administered to schools across Jamaica, which are in most need of them.
The issue is also being taken seriously by ISA President Dr. Walton Small.
We have actually encouraged the principals to make sure that they get a defibrillator. They must get one. Not only that, because there are some schools, it's interesting enough since the incident, there are several schools that possess the defibrillator, but they don't even know how to use it properly. So the whole business of the training again as to how they use this defibrillator is something that we are pushing for. The other thing that we are encouraging them is that it must not only be used for the major sports, but the minor sports, whether it be table tennis, lawn tennis, whatever it is, make sure that they are there.
As for the issue of having trained personnel to use these defibrillators in case of emergencies, J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, says that shouldn't be an issue.
As you know, at all our track meets, we have ambulances and emergency technicians and they are trained in the use of defibrillators. The defibrillators are AEDs, as they are properly called, which is automatic electric device. When you set them up and put them on, they talk you through the process as to how to use them, and there's a voice telling you step by step what to do. It reads the heart trace and then tells you whether or not you should apply a shock. And it really guides you through the process. So it's really very easy to use, because they're meant for public use.
In the meantime, the RJR Gleaner Communications Group will once again bring live and exclusive coverage of the event on multiple platforms. But with prior issues to its One Spot Media mobile app in previous championships, General Manager of Television and Cable Services at TVJ, Claire Grant, says fans can rest assured that it will be able to handle the traffic.
Outside of reinforcements that we've done, we also had it tested, because during the World Cup last year, we had phenomenal numbers during the Brazil matches, the Argentina matches, so we know how robust the network is and that it will stand up.
The March 26 to 30 ISA Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships will be live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com, with live and extensive radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, 2 persons who will be involved in the championships in different capacities outlined their objectives for the championships at Wednesday's launch. Immaculate High coach Franz Ford is targeting the top spot amongst corporate area schools on the girls' side, but thinks it will take more than just physical effort to get there.
What it will take is heart, as I mentioned before in previous interview. It will definitely take heart, and we just ask our girls just to go out there, just to be confident, and just leave everything on the track and also in the field. We don't need to do anything extra right now, because all training really stops right now. It's just for the girls just to maintain what they have and go out there, deliver, and just to make sure that they do their school proud.
If the pocket's tight.
Meanwhile, 2018 Class 2 Boys 800-meter champion Tyrese Taylor isn't being unrealistic about his chances in his first year in Class 1. His 1 minute 56.36 seconds was good enough for victory in Class 2 last year, but with a number of athletes already running sub-minute 52 this season, Taylor has kept his objectives simple.
I won't say, but I just go out there and just put out a good show, and just trying to come out victorious also, and try to have a new PB, as I said earlier on. So, yeah.